Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition. This is a short video about Cerebro and getting whitelisted for their upcoming Genesis NFT mint. It can turn out relevant. They've partnered with Ethos network to distribute whitelist to certain high reputable users on Ethos, and many of these are, top players in crypto Twitter improving the relevance. I mean, this growth approach, it's going to improve the value proposition of the NFT. They're giving whitelisted to those with at least 2,000. Let's quickly look at that. In case you have a score of a reputation score on Ethos network of at least 2,000, or an Ethos network validator NFT, then you get whitelisted automatically. Now, even if you are whitelisted as such, this video may still be of relevance because you want to register your wallet for the mint. I would assume so. We'll talk about that towards the end of the video. But if you don't fall in this category of having a score of 2000 on Ethos or the validator NFT, you can still apply for a whitelist. However, there is around 5 hours left to apply. The application is going to end 15th of August, 11 p.m. UT. Just a moment. Let's see. 11 p.m. EST. So there's still around 5 hours from now to participate. There have been around uh, 20,000 submissions or more, but likely more by now. Okay, so now this is important. It says paid users will be prioritized based on your previous use of Cerebro. If you're an old user, that will give you an edge in the whitelist gems collected. Okay, now in my case, I'm a new user. So what I will be doing is applying for the mint, as a whitelist spots. They said they will release the whitelist checker in perhaps tomorrow or after this application phase ends. So I'm trying to vie for a whitelist spot. So what am I doing in my case? The most important thing, of course, that'll give you a chance at all is onboard on Cerebro. Now, you are going to need an invite, so you cannot onboard on Cerebro without an invite. So I connected with my X account. It's recommended to do so. You'll earn gems doing so. Then you would need an invite, and this invite, you can use this A4 A88D4C. You'll find it somewhere in the description. Then this is where you will submit your mint address, which I'll be doing offline. So this submitting your mint address is already your application. But if you want to enhance your chance of being selected, then uh, you can subscribe to a pro account or something like that. I'm going to be doing so just to up my chances a bit. It's not so expensive. So I'm going to try monthly on the light account. This will give you all this 20 daily prompts. It's an AI powered, analytical platform for Web3 and DeFi. You can use it for free, by the way. But in my case, I will just get this pro account, $10 worth for the monthly package, because you can also pay with crypto. So if you click here, you will see that you can pay with crypto. So I'll just go for that just to heighten my chances slightly more of getting a whitelist. Okay, so get started with your application. At the very least, you want to apply. Then at a later date, you want to check on Cerebro for the checker. Okay, so this is August 15, 40,000 applications. Wow. Wow. I don't know how many keys there will be, how scarce the collection is. Okay, so anyway, now if you have the requirements on the Ethos side and are whitelisted, you still may want to just, submit your wallet on Cerebro, where you will still need the invite code I showed earlier. just a safety measure, something like that. So that brings us to the end of this video. I'll leave it at that. To conclude with this video, visit airdropc.com and submit your email to subscribe to airdrop reminders. I'm working on 100 solid airdrop prospects. In subsequent video, I'll cover what Cerebro is used a bit, considering I'll be subscribed on it. And so submit your email here to subscribe to airdrop reminders. I'm working on 100 solid airdrop prospects, which I'll be sending out via email. Contact me using this contact form, this Telegram, and this Twitter. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome, take action.